Hi, this is Tim. I'm glad to be back here with Do-It-Yourself Pest Control. Today what I want to do is show you two B&G tips. The multi-tip, and I'm going to show you the one that has the injector tip. Now it's important for you to understand in using these, the main thing about the tips is control. If you don't have control when you're spraying, you get spray everywhere where you don't need it to be. Now this one, I like this one, the Multijet. With the injector, I'm going to place it on the inside of the tip and pull through. Now, whenever this is on the end of your sprayer, if you have a crack and a crevice, and you can shoot your chemical right there and keep complete control of what you're doing. That way you make no mess. You don't lose anything when you use this one except one hole. This one is not an injector. It has 4 tips. 2 fans and 2 streams. When I use it, I use a big fan on the outside of a home. I spray around the outside of the perimeter. That way if the insects crawl up the wall, they get the chemical on their feet, they lick it, it kills them. The smaller fan is whenever an individual is having something like they're going to do. For instance, you may have 2 feet you're going to treat. I can take the fan when it's lightweight and turn it just like that, and it'll spray that little area. Instead of spraying it this way going up the wall, I just turn my wrist and get that 2 feet. So your control is the main thing that you want to do. The control with the Multijet, you have 4 holes. The 4 holes that you have will allow you to have 2 streams, 2 fans. The one with the injector, the exact same thing. You lose 1 hole so that you can have the injector to have complete control, whether you're dealing up under the sink, if you got a crack between the dishwasher and the little cabinetry, this is perfect. B&G has made this where you can use it, and that's what I use. I use B&G tips, and I use the Multijet for control. I don't want chemical anywhere where I don't want it. For more information, give us a call at Do-It-Yourself Pest Control, please.